Easy Skin Tone Evening Routine with Discipline. A comprehensive guide for practitioners. A disciplined evening skincare routine is crucial in maintaining a balanced and radiant complexion. Here's an easy-to-follow regimen, backed by dermatological research, to help you achieve optimal skin tone today. 1. Cleanse thoroughly. 6:30 p.m. Cleanse with a gentle, non-foaming cleanser that maintains the skin's natural barrier. Examples include CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser or La Roche-Posay Toleriane Hydrating Gentle Cleanser. Cleansing removes dirt and makeup, preventing clogged pores and breakouts. 2. Exfoliate weekly. 7 p.m. Exfoliate once a week with a chemical exfoliant containing alpha-hydroxy acids AHA or beta-hydroxy acids BHA. Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2 BHA Liquid is a popular choice. Regular exfoliation removes dead skin cells, promoting smoother and brighter skin tone. 3. Tone with acid. 7:10 p.m. Apply a toner containing hydrating acids like hyaluronic acid or glycerin to replenish the skin's moisture levels. The ordinary hyaluronic acid 2B5 is an affordable option. Toners help balance the skin's pH and enhance the absorption of subsequent skincare products. 4. Apply vitamin C serum. 7:15 p.m. Apply a vitamin C serum to combat hyperpigmentation and brighten the skin tone. SkinCeuticals C Ferulic is a potent formula, but for budget-conscious individuals, Mad Hippie Vitamin C Serum is also effective. Vitamin C helps reduce dark spots and evens out the skin tone over time. 5. Apply Retinoid. 7:20 p.m. Apply a retinoid product to stimulate collagen production, improve skin texture, and reduce fine lines. Prescription-strength retinoids like Retinoid are most effective, but over-the-counter options like the ordinary Gran-Active Retinoid 2 emulsion also provide noticeable results. Retinoids help maintain a youthful complexion and combat skin discoloration. 6. Moisturize. 7:30 p.m. Apply a moisturizer suitable for your skin type to lock in hydration and prevent dryness. Cetaphil Moisturizing Lotion is an excellent choice for oily skin, while CeraVe Moisturizing Cream suits drier complexions. Properly moisturized skin appears healthier and more even-toned. 7. Apply an eye cream to reduce the appearance of dark circles and fine lines around the eyes. La Roche-Posay Hydra Eye The Rich is a highly rated option. A well-hydrated eye area appears more awake and youthful, contributing to an overall even complexion. 8. Consistency is key. 7:40 p.m. Stick to this routine, adjusting products as needed based on your skin's response, for optimal results. Consistent use of a well-rounded evening skincare routine is essential in maintaining an even and radiant complexion.